Hey, in this video we're going to talk about DUIs. We get probably 2 or 3 phone calls a day about somebody who's been arrested for a DUI, and they're very serious. Even though they're not felonies, they're what is called traffic criminal offenses. They have a lot of consequences. That includes license suspension, fines, increases in insurance, and of course possibly jail. So when I talk to people, I remind them they have to be very careful about what they do and what decisions they make concerning driving. I will tell you, what I really want to say to them is, why did you do this? It's now voluntary. If you think about it, a DUI crime is a voluntary offense. You make a decision to do it. Granted, you don't decide to get in your car after 2 or 3 or 4 drinks after work and say, I'm going to go commit a crime. But the harsh reality is, in Florida and in most states, you are not supposed to drive when you are impaired. It's okay to have a drink or two, but if you're going to go out drinking, or if you know you had that 3rd or 4th drink, the decision to get in your car and drive is voluntary. And 20 years ago, quite honestly, when I was younger and when I was in college, we didn't have a lot of options. You either drove home or you walked home. What I don't get is today, with Uber and Lyft and so many other ride-sharing possibilities, why anyone would make the voluntary decision to commit a crime, particularly a crime that can have such serious consequences. Now look, if you make it or on your way home and just get stopped by a cop, that's a regular DUI. But let me tell you something. Have an accident and it's a very serious DUI, hurt somebody and it's a felony, and God forbid somebody dies when you're behind the wheel, then it's a DUI manslaughter. And let's be clear about one thing. You do not have to be at fault to be charged with and convicted of DUI manslaughter. All you have to be is driving a car and impaired. And literally, somebody could drive up behind you and hit you from behind. You get stopped because of that accident. You're the one who's impaired, and you could be charged with DUI manslaughter, and a jury could convict you of that. What I really want to say to those potential clients out there is, don't ever call me for a DUI, because I don't ever want you to commit a DUI. Call Uber, call Lyft, call somebody, call a friend, or maybe even walk home, like I had to do when I was in college. But do not drive when you're impaired, because the consequences are anywhere from serious to extraordinarily serious. So if you have questions about a DUI, give us a call, but please don't call us, just don't commit a DUI.